Welcome to our DIY beauty tutorial. Today, we're making natural lip tint right at home. Discover how easy it is to create your own lip tint using simple, natural ingredients. Why bother making your own lip tint when there are so many options available? Let's explore the benefits. Our homemade lip tint is natural, safe for your skin, and provides a beautiful, lasting color. Let's get started by gathering just 2 key ingredients for our natural lip tint. First, you'll need a fresh beetroot. This will give our tint its beautiful natural color. And second, some coconut oil for its moisturizing properties and smooth application. Now let's walk through the simple steps to prepare your beetroot for tint extraction. Carefully grate your beetroot into a fine consistency, which will help with juice extraction. Once grated, squeeze the beetroot pulp to extract as much vibrant juice as possible into a clean bowl. With our beetroot juice ready, it's time to combine it with the coconut oil. Add your extracted beetroot juice to a small amount of coconut oil. Gently heat the mixture on low heat, stirring continuously until both ingredients are fully combined and smooth. Proper storage will keep your homemade lip tint fresh and ready to use. Once cooled, carefully transfer your lip tint into a small, airtight container. Store your lip tint in a cool, dark place to maintain its consistency and extend its shelf life. Now for the fun part, applying your beautiful new natural lip tint. Using a clean finger or a small brush, dab the tint onto your lips and blend gently for a natural flush. See how beautifully the natural beetroot gives a subtle, healthy glow to your lips without any harsh chemicals. That's it, your very own all-natural homemade lip tint. Enjoy the benefits of a chemical-free, personalized lip tint that's perfect for everyday wear. Give this DIY lip tint a try and share your beautiful results with us. Happy tinting!